These tissue paper tulips are just the right thing for spring. They're easy to make and go together quickly. For this project, you will need tissue paper, scissors, a pencil, ruler, and 2 green pipe cleaners. Use the ruler and pencil to measure 7 inches by 2 inches and cut 3 layers of tissue. Work with one piece of tissue at a time. Fold it in half so that you can see the center point. And then open it back up and crumple it in the middle. Give it one twist to keep everything in place, and then fold right in the middle of the twist and match the ends and the sides of the petal together. Take the end and twist about 1/2 inch at the very bottom. Do the same thing with the other 2 pieces of tissue so that you have 3 petals total. Make a small hook shape at the end of one of the pipe cleaners and then gather the petals together inside the hook so that the twisted ends are together with the petals evenly spaced. Close up the end of that pipe cleaner to hold them together, and then twist the long end around a few times and then down the rest of the tissue. Now you can arrange the petals so that they're evenly spaced. Take a second pipe cleaner, start in the middle of that twist, and just begin twisting around and around the pipe cleaner. Go until you are just a few inches down, maybe 2 or 3 inches from the base, and then form a tulip leaf, which is a long oval, bent up in the middle toward the flower. Then twist the very end of the pipe cleaner under the leaf to hold it in place. Now bend the end of the remaining pipe cleaner up in half and twist the 2 sides together. Arrange your petals one last time and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.